Hello friends, in the job world, one of the fundamental challenges is to get along with your boss. If you cannot get along with your boss, it's the doomsday for your career in that organization. You will not be able to live happily there also, and you will not also be able to grow, get promoted, etc. Difficult bosses will be everywhere, and one of the variants of a difficult boss, one of the most difficult variants, is an insecure boss. I've dealt with many such insecure bosses in my life, have counseled hundreds of youngsters who have come up to me with a problem that they are facing a insecure boss. Now, what is the fundamental characteristic of an insecure boss? Such a person is very insecure about himself, about his position, about his power, and he will leave no stone unturned to make you feel miserable about yourself, and he will never ever appreciate you. He or she will always scuttle your ideas, and there is massive need for control. They want to be part of each and every decision in the organization, to the extent that they will also not appreciate your free flow of communication with other departments, somehow because of their insecurity that if there is free flow of information, it might lead to diminution of their power. Many such traits are there for an insecure boss. They are not going to share information with you as to what happened in the meetings, where they will not allow you to attend. They will not share crucial information with you. The PowerPoints that they shared with the management, they will not share with you. So hoarding of data is also one very important characteristic of an insecure boss. Now, how do you deal with this situation? First of all, accept the fact that okay, in the near future you have to deal with this person. Let's say you've just landed in an organization. Will you immediately resign because in first 15 days you've realized that this guy is not someone whom I would want to work with? He's a complete insecure person. You cannot do that. So you have to make peace with the fact that theek hai bhai, for the next 1 year of my life, 6 months of my life, I have to deal with this. The most important thing is to keep your patience high and not retaliate. Some people will simply say that okay, I will go to my boss's boss and complain about his behavior. Do you think the boss's boss does not know? And how do you know that the boss's boss is not all the more insecure? So in such a situation, it will always backfire. Your thinking that I will go ahead and retaliate will never work. So please don't retaliate. The next thing is empathize. Now I know it's very difficult thing that someone is screwing you left, right and center, and you are saying, hey bhai, you're telling yourself, let me empathize with this person. Why is this person so insecure? Maybe that person has got a troubled childhood. Maybe that person got trumped over by other people in the earlier avatars of his or her career. So you have to understand the story. In many cases, they are never going to share, but sometimes you will get some cues that okay, this person is insecure because of this reasons, and you have to accept the fact that this person is an insecure person. Now, how do you deal with that? You have to give them complete illusion of control over the entire scheme of things. Give them regular updates. When you reach office, tell them, sir, I have reached office. When you are about to leave, you say, sir, can I leave office? Everything should be structured as a question, not as a suggestion. It's not, I am leaving office. Sir, if you permit, can I leave office? Sir, if you permit, can I take a leave? Sir, if you permit, can we try this automation exercise? Or sir, if you permit, can I do this Excel feature in the financial model? You always have to make them appear as if all ideas are coming from their mind and not from your mind, because the moment they sense that your intelligence is higher than them, they are going to retaliate. So never ever do that. Instead of giving suggestions, ask questions to them. Appear stupid. Yes, that is one fundamental approach that you can adopt in order to deal with an insecure boss, because insecure bosses are very insecure about themselves, about their intelligence, about their power. If there someone comes who appears very intelligent, very dynamic, and who appears as if they are going to take away their position, they will retaliate and they will find out their political measures to hit back at you. So never ever appear intelligent in front of your boss. Give suggestions, but structured as questions. Sir, I could not understand that day this thing. Can we actually help me understand how this is done? attribute all your success to them, even if they have not played any role in that success. Tell that, sir, it is only because of your guidance, it is only because of your leadership that I have got this success. I got an opportunity to work on this project only because of you. So think of it from that perspective, that you have to deal with this person for the next 6 months, 1 year of your life. You will not be able to change this person for sure. You really should stop making an attempt in your life for changing people. So while you are dealing with this person for the next 6 months, 12 months of your life, search for a new job. That is the only thing. Now in the new job also, you might in most cases end up getting an insecure boss, but then these tricks and techniques are going to always be to your help. If you've liked this video, please like, share and comment. And if you've got any such technique that you've implemented perfectly in your work life, please share it in the comment section for the benefit of others. Thank you.